To fix a microwave light that's not working, it's essential to identify the cause of the problem, which could be a burnt-out bulb, faulty light socket, or defective control board. The repair process varies between devices, so consulting the manual is crucial before starting any repairs. The most common cause of a faulty light is a burnt-out bulb, and replacing it is a simple and inexpensive process. This involves unplugging the microwave, removing the screws that hold the vent panel in place, and locating the box that holds the bulb. The screw holding the box must be undone, and then the old light bulb can be unscrewed. After screwing in the new bulb, the light box should be fastened using its screws, the vent panel reattached, and the microwave plugged back in. If the problem persists, the light socket should be inspected, as it connects the bulb to the incoming current and may be damaged or faulty. To fix this, the microwave must be unplugged and allowed to cool. Then the old light socket can be accessed and removed, which may involve removing screws, connectors, and clips. The new socket can then be installed, the wires reconnected, and the microwave reassembled. If the light still doesn't work, the control board may be the issue, although this is less common. In this case, the microwave should be unplugged, and the control board located, usually behind the control panel. The wires to the old control board should be disconnected and connected to the replacement part. The new board secured, and the control panel reattached before switching on the microwave. By following these steps, it's possible to fix a microwave light that's not working, and the process can be completed with relative ease.